Hi YouTube, it's her Sneeze, but today we're back with a special request video and he paid for it, so his wish is coming true. He decided to stay anonymous, so I want to respect that, but he requested a whole back vid, so that is what we're about to do. I really hope you enjoy. Sorry. Oh. 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 Shit. I'm sorry, it is hard to hold back sneezes, like, for real. Oh. Sorry. Sorry. You can see, like, this is making my eyes water. Oh, I'm crying. Oh, sorry, my hair looks crazy. Oh, shit. I'm sorry. Oh. 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 I am sorry. That was a really hard video to do. Whole back videos. I'm not really familiar with them. So I hope you enjoyed your video. And like I always say, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys all so much. Bye.